AMD released many good CPU and GPU, right? Yes. So it's very impressive. I mean, if you plan to make a computer, maybe AMD maybe good choice. I mean, Intel just still dominate the CPU market, but AMD did very well. I mean, this year and last year, I think. Yeah. So it's very good. And for us as a customer, that's very good sign because if we in the if we if we Intel only makes very good CPU, then they become contested. The market becomes a monopoly, so it's not good for us. I mean, for customer because they can do whatever they want, right? Because they are monopoly, so they may increase the price or the better performance, something like that, right? So it's very good news for us. And the good thing is that AMD did a great job for GPU too. So that means we have two options, right? NVIDIA and AMD. So I think the CEO Lisa Su, she did very well. So I just want to say these days AMD released many interesting, I mean, kind of monster products, right? In CPU and GPU. So yeah, that's very good. Oh, that's good. Yes, that's true. Maybe next year, maybe, but AMD may lead the CPU. Not yet, but who knows? But again, good for us. We can buy good product. I mean, high performance product with a low price because they need to compute, right? So that's good. That's what I said. Yeah. So there are many, yeah, yeah, because what they said because well, when is the release date for 16 RS 16 maybe end of this month, I guess, right? So if you wanna buy, if you wanna build your computer, maybe just wait 2 weeks more, then you may buy very good GPU with a low price. Yeah. Okay, good. That's the recent IT news. And the internet, and then what else? Let's go. That's okay. Okay, okay. Now we are 20. Okay, good. So let's start our course. Oh, and then I also upload homework 7, so you can do. I get 2 weeks because it's heavy homework. It has 25 problems. So just please keep in mind you have 2 weeks, so you can finish. And then if you don't know, come to the office hour, so I can help you. Or you can go to a tutor, so tutors will help you. Okay, good. Okay, E, R's, and let's see. I see. Uh, maybe learn about if else, this means else if, and else, and that's the it. And if we have time, we will learn about in and is. Okay. Last class we learn about if statement, right? For example, okay, great. And that's okay. Right. We made this up, right? Okay. So if you run, it has type your grade. So if we type, let's say maybe 7A, and then if you press enter, it says pass and done, right? So if grade is 78, 78 is greater than 50, so this statement becomes true, right? Because 78 is greater than 50, so it printed the sentence, the pass, and then go outside of if structure and print it done. But if we type less than 50, like 32, then if we press enter, what happens? 32 is less than 50, so this is false. So it skips if statement, if structure, 14, and then just go to the next line and print it done. So there's nothing, right? So today, so here we only consider about 2 cases, right? But if you want to care about 4th case too, how we can do? We can use else statement. Fourth case. Right. Okay. For example, here, let's just copy paste. And here, put else and like that. And let's see how it works. If we click run, let's type 65. So it's the same as this, right? Because 65 is greater than 50, so it's a true. So go pass, and it skips else structure automatically because 65 is greater than 50. Okay, that's good. But if we type 34, and then if we press enter, now what we can see fail, right? How it works. 34 go, so here we type 34, and then go here, and it says 34 is less than 50, right? So this is a false, right? So it goes to else, it skips this part because this is a false. If this is true, it just print out this. But if this is false, go to the else statement and then do something in the else structure. So in this case, it print out fail, and then go to the next line, print done. So it's just let me know if you don't understand else, the concept else. So if we just using if without else, that means we only consider about true cases, right? But if we wanna care about both case, I mean true case or false case, we should use else statement. Does it make sense? Okay. Where you don't understand, Jeffrey? Which part? Oh, okay. So, do you understand this part? If statement? So this is what we did last week. Okay, good. So if you understand if statement, that's good. So here we ask type your grade. So we can type any number, right? 78, 32, or any random number, right? Then our algorithm, this is our algorithm, right? Simple algorithm. Calculate your grade, right? So for example, here, if you type 78, 78 goes here. This is the next line, right? And then the if statement, the conditional statement, check this is true or false, right? So for here, if we put 78, 78 is greater than 50. Is it true or false? So for example here, 78 is greater than 50. Yeah, so this is true or false? True, good. So if this is true, so if you see here, there is an indent, right? Blank, right? So if there is a blank, that means this statement is in the if structure. So can you see the difference between these two? This one is indented, but this is not, right? That means this is in the if structure, but this is outside of if structure. So if this is true, Python goes to the inside of if structure. So it print a pass, and then there's nothing, so it go outside of if structure and then do next one, and then print it done. But here, what it is, here we type 32, right? 32 is greater than 50. Is it true or false? Yeah, actually that's why many people think Python is much convenient than Java or C++. Okay, Jeffrey, yeah, this is false, right? So false means we don't need to care about inside of if structure. So we just skip this line, right? Because this is in the if structure, right? So you just go to the next line and then print it done. That's why there is nothing. It just show done. Can you understand? Okay, good. But if we just use if statement, we only care about true cases, right? But if you want to say something for false case, in this case, I want to say, oh, so you are fail or you need to pass, something like that. Then what we needed to use? We needed to use else statement. So if you're using else statement, we can care about false cases. Can you understand, Jeffrey? Okay, good. So here, let's try. Here we said 65 is true, right? So it just print pass and then skip this because it's true, right? But here, if we type 34, this is a false, right? So it just go to the else statement. It skips this part. So go to else statement and then do something in the else structure. So in this case, it says print out fail. So print out fail and then outside of the whole structure and then print done. So now we can consider either case, true case or false case. Good. Okay, good. Yes, right. Okay. Let's practice. What can be the example? Okay. Maybe. What can be pretty. Print out. Maybe. Okay. So I will give it maybe 10 minutes. Maybe 10 minutes? Okay, 10 minutes. So using if and else, please create the algorithm. So first, ask type 0 or 1. And then if you type 0, it should print out dog. If you type 1, it should print out cat. Okay. So I will give maybe 5 minutes. So I will give 5 minutes, and if you need more time, just let me know. So please do now. Open your Colab and create your own algorithm and test it. And then if it works, okay, that's good, perfect. So you can get idea from here, right? It's almost the similar, right? list. I just found this from our textbook. It seems to be good. So if you finish, please do this. Not Taylor, not yet. Yeah. Just wait for other stuff. I just created pooling, so if you finish it both, please click yes. Ooh, Tucson already done. Okay, that's very impressive. That's good. How many? 19 students still doing. Yeah. Please open Colab and practice. Yeah. This is a very important activity. Please don't just watch it. Yeah. Hands-on experience is very important. If you are in the class, I may help you, but here I cannot see your screen, so I just trust you are focusing on this lecture. So please open Colab and do what I'm asking now. Solve these two problems using this algorithm. Okay. Okay, Boston did good. And then if you finish, please click yes, so I can see how many students understand this thing or how many students need more time. I will give 5 more minutes, so please do now. Okay, you have 2 more minutes, so maybe think carefully. Yeah. You can find the answer. Yeah. That's it. Instant. Emmett, are you doing now? Anthony, Christopher, Kate, Paul, Gender, Joshua, Lilia, Norma, Kovacic, everyone is doing now, or just watching? Oh, you are doing now? Oh, okay. Do you need more time? No more stuff? Okay, okay. Maybe, yeah, okay. I will give 5 more minutes. Is it enough? Okay, I will give 5 more minutes. For other students, please understand other students. If you already finished, please understand other students because for some people, some students, this is the first time to create it in practice statement, so they need more time. So yeah, if you didn't finish, yeah, please try now, and then I will give 4 more minutes. So yeah, okay, enjoy your time. Yeah. Or if you already finished, please check your algorithm. Yeah, you may make a typo error or your algorithm may be wrong. So please check your algorithm again. you finish, I recommend draw a flow chart for your algorithm. So it may be good to understand your algorithm or explain to others, right? So okay. 10 students finish. 7, 9 students still. Okay. How many? 10 students. Okay. Okay. Let's do it together. I think it may be better. So for this, maybe let's say first we need to get value, right? So maybe let's say any more. You can name any variable name. So right, and here which relational operator we should use? We should use equal operator, right? So equal operator means double equal sign, right? Yes, thank you, correct. Good job. You remember what it is. Okay, good, perfect. And let me print the right. And then here we just need using else, right? Because we just asked 0 or 1. So if user type not 0, that means 1, right? Because there's only 2 cases. So just else and print cat, right? Easy, good, right? If you run and then let's say type 0, yes, we get dog. If you run and if you type 1, we get cat. Okay, good. What about this? Okay, Taylor. Do you want to share your answer? Okay, good. Let's see how it works. Copy. Okay. So here he defined user underline age equal int input age, right? Okay, good. That's good. And then if user age is greater than 62, that's what the problem asks, right? 62. Assign item discount with 15, so item underlying discount is 15. Good, that's good. Okay, and then he also print out what it is. Okay, good. So this is optional, yeah, but it's good. Yeah. And then else assign item discount with 0. So item discount equals 0 and print. Okay, let's test. Okay, Brenda, could you share your answer? Let's see what's different. So if we type 67, it says item discount number, right? 15. If you type 12, okay, it says 0 because not senior age. Okay, good. Good job, Ella. Yeah, it works. Okay. Brenda, what's the difference? I mean, do you want to share your answer? I want to see what's the difference. Okay, and then okay, again for the okay. Thank you, Katie. Let's see how she did. She said age. Okay, that's good. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. For the K, I think you understand how to use if and else statement, but this is good, but it's not enough because look at it. Yes, correct. Because it asks assign, right? Yes. So here you should assign something. Actually, this is we don't need this, but here you need assign, right? Assign, what is it? Assign item discount. So you need this one, right? And here too, like this, right? Or for the fencing, you may using this way because it shows what the number means, right? So that's good. Okay, and here it should be 0. And what else? And then here you use age. That's good. If the problem doesn't say specific name, you can use anything. But here, if it says using this, then you should use this. Okay. So for example, your boss or your manager ask variable name should be this, then you should use this, right? Because that's how we can communicate with others, right? So, but if they don't mention any specific name, then you can using age or you can use whatever you want, right? And then here you just need to explain what it is, right? But good thing is you understand the concept and the structure, so that's good. You just need to understand the detailed things. Okay. Okay, Brenda. Okay. Okay, good. So for different. Okay, here. So in this case, here for the K algorithm, we can do this way, right? Then it should work, right? Everything looks good, right? Okay, good. And then when you're using if statement, else statement, please don't forget colons. This is very important syntax. If you don't put colon, it should say error. So keep in mind. Okay, good. Okay. And what else? Oh, another thing is, okay, here. So let's say Taylor submit this and Brandon submit this. Then what's the difference? they are totally same, right? So if more than more than one person submit same solution for the homework, others project, or meet a final exam, then I will think this is cheating. So you should make something different. Maybe here you may do it together, but you should change. Maybe here you may just say, oh, not just the age, maybe what is your age? Something like that. Right? Something should be different. Yes. Okay. But yeah, it should be different. That's the point of your algorithm. So for the final project or for the homework, for the final exam, coding part should be different. If we 100% same, then that's cheating. So just be careful. Or here you may say, oh, I need to experiment what it is. Maybe this is same. Something like that, right? Or okay, so something should be different. Okay, good. So that is Brendan did. Okay. But okay. Okay. Ooh, yeah. I like your idea, Brendan. Okay, so Brendan did decide item discount equals zero at first, and then if this is true, just add it. Then if this is not true, show the zero. So okay, that's good. I like your algorithm. So yeah, that's smart way. So if you see here, we can see many difference, right? For example, Taylor using this way, Kate used this way, right? She explained what it is, and then here Taylor shows this way, this style, and then Taylor using different style, and then Brandon also using different algorithm, right? He just define item discount first, and then added 15 if user age is greater than 62. So you can see many difference, right? This is normal. But if both, if your coding is the same with the others, 100% same, then that's not normal. That's almost cheating, almost possibly cheating, I think, yeah. Because it's almost impossible to get 100% same coding. Yeah. Okay, good. Yes. And what we need to do. Okay, and then next step is we need to draw flow chart. So let's practice to draw flow chart. Okay. Last class we learned how to draw if statement flow chart, right? So for example, let's think of it. Let's just scroll up. Okay. Yeah. So in this case, we created this is code, right? And then how we can draw a flow chart? We can say right. Like this, right? So, for example, if we type 78 goes here, and 78 is greater than 50, so that's true. So goes here, print out pass, and then goes out, right? But if we put, let's say, 23 is less than 15, so this is false, not true, right? So just go this way. Okay, so right, because that's false. And then if you see the path, false path, there is nothing, right? Just path, right? No print, no assignment, nothing. So your job is when you created a code, I mean, when you see the flow chart, you know how to create the code. So if I give this chart, you should create the code. Or if you see the code, you should know how to draw this chart. So please practice this thing. I will definitely ask this thing. So I just give code and then you should know how to draw a chart. Or I just give a flow chart and then you should create the algorithm. Okay? Or I may just give pseudocode and then you should do both. You should create the flow chart and then you should also create the algorithm. So please practice this one. Okay. Please take a picture. I will delete. Okay. I will delete. And for the if else statement, so let's example 2. If user age is greater than 62, assign item discount with 15. Else, assign item discount with 0. Okay, let's think about Taylor's flow chart, Taylor's algorithm. So we can create the flow chart. Okay, yeah. That's true. Okay, so first he user A's input, right? Maybe let's here, put here, that might be better. And next one is if statement, right? If greater than 62, I just write the number. And print out the result. And go here. So this is what he did, right? So this is true and this is false. Okay, let's think about if we type one number, maybe 63, goes here, and then 63 is greater than 62. So this is true, right? So go to the right path, and then what is that? It says item discount equal 15, and print out the result, and go outside of if structure. If we put 40, then goes to if statement, and 40 is less than 62. So it should go fourth path, right? Go here, and item discount equal 0, print out, and go outside. Okay. Does it make sense? Okay. Okay, good. So now we know two flow chart, right? If statement flow chart, if else statement flow chart, right? So please practice this thing. And just let me know if you have any questions now. If you don't understand, please let me know now. Everyone understand? Are you sure? I want to listen other students' opinion. Okay, thank you, Amy. Okay. Okay, thank you, Kate. What about who didn't say it? Obuchuku, can you understand? Ocean, Paul, July, Joshua, Brian, anyone? Oh, okay, good. Okay, good. Okay, good. So again, thank you, Coran. Thank you, Joshua. Thank you, James. Okay. Again, I will ask this thing on the final exam. So I emphasize many times, right? That means what? You should know, right? So please study this and then understand what it is. Okay, good. And what else? Okay. I will delete this. Please take picture if you need. Okay, yeah. Okay. Let's go back to the co-rep. Okay. The next one is, what about multiple case? I mean, more than 2 case. For example, until now, we only care about true case or true or false case, right? 1 case or 2 case, right? What about more than 2 case? Not just a true or false. Maybe, for example, what can be 3 cases? Maybe color, right? One more if, okay, that's good approach. But what can be issue? That's a good idea. I mean, that's good thing. Okay, first thought, but we need to maybe let's we think about. So let's think about this. For the grade, if grade is 19, think out A. If grade is 50 and 90, think out B. Times think out C. Okay, so let's try to solve this. If we just use one more if, what happens? Going to be here. Okay. How we can write this one between 50 and 90? Do you know how we can create a statement for this between 50 and 90? We run 6 operator, right? Equal, not equal, greater than equal, or less than or equal. How we can write this? We can use and, right? Great. This means between 50 and 90, right? Okay, good. Is it work? Let's try. So 91. What happens? It shows A and C. It should say just A, right? Let's try another number. Maybe what can be a good number? 67. So output should be B, right? 15. It shows B. Oh, okay. For this, it's fine. What about less than 50? Let's say 45. 51. It shows C. Okay. For the B and C, it's okay. But what about this? Something wrong, right? Why it shows A and C, not just A? Who can explain why we get A and C? Why C is also true, Taylor? Or Cohen? What do you think about this? Okay. Corinne, that's good. That's good. Good start. The answer is for the second if, yes, right? Everyone can understand Corinne's word. Okay, thank you, Lilia. So let's draw flow chart for this. Then we can understand much clear. So here, so grade equal 91. Come here and if 90 and true course. Right? So let's see how it works. Okay. So if 91 goes here and 91 is greater than 90, so it's true, right? So it goes here and print out A, right? And go to next if, right? And then 91 is
it's not between 50 and 90. So yeah, yes, that's false.
Yes, correct, Julia. Go to the fourth statement, right? And print C and go up. So can you figure out why it shows A and C and this is a wrong algorithm, right? Okay, good. I really appreciate Corinne says using one more if because that's common thinking, right? I mean, if you don't know about else if, you just think, oh, we just need to make one more if. it should work, right? But actually it doesn't work, right? So that's why we needed to use else if. Or without else if, we can do how we can use it less than if. So there are two ways, but for now I will show else if. Okay. Does it make sense? Maybe I will show another number. Maybe let's think about 67. If we put 67 goes here, and the 67 is less than 90, so just go here, and 67 is between 50 and 90, so it goes here and print B. And so on. For the what's the other number? For the 45, go to if statement. 45 is less than 90, so go to for statement. And the 45 is not between 50 and 90, so just go to false and print the C and it goes outside, right? So we need to improve this algorithm, right? For our problem. So please take a picture. I will erase. So for our goal, this is our goal, right? So what we need is we need to using else if. Okay, so here we can just copy and paste. And okay, and then here if we put else if, it should work. Okay, let's try. 91. Yeah, now it shows an A, right? And one number we're using 67, B, 45. Yes. Okay, yes. And then it shows C. Okay. So now this algorithm works as we expect, right? It shows only A, it shows B, it shows C. So that's what we need to have, right?
So Aleph essentially creates a individual path for the line item, correct?
Right.
Okay.
So for this, I will also draw a flow chart so you can understand much better. So let's see. Let's go to the flow chart again. So great. And it was 90. no. Sorry, I just drew. Maybe like this. This way. Okay. Right. So, okay. Delete this. Sorry. Yeah. So here, if we put 91, goes here, and then so if 91 is true, so goes here, print A, then goes out, right? And what is? If we put 67, goes here, but this is false, so goes here. The 67 is between 50 and 90, so goes here, print B, and go outside. For the 45, goes deep statement, but this is false, goes here, this is also false, goes here, print C, and go outside. Okay. So can you understand difference between two if statement else and if else, if and else statement? So this is if else statement, right? And then previous one is two if statement and else statement, right? So you should figure out the different algorithm structure. Yes? No? Please let me know if you don't understand. Good. Can I go next? Hello? Can I go next? Can you hear me? Oh, okay. Okay, I'll go next. So, give me a second. Okay. Let's go to the next. So, after this, so I will give 10 minutes. So this will be the last activity of this class. So please create your own algorithm to solve this problem. And I will check attendance too now. Gender. Okay. James. Thank you. Taylor. Corinne. Thank you. Annie. Yonsi. Yonsi. Okay. Anthony. Anthony Igbo. Okay. Anthony, are you here? Hello? No? Corinne? Ethan? Corinne? Corinne? Okay, thank you. Jeffrey? Juliana? Thank you. Obuchiku? Joshua? Jenny? Jenny? I saw Jenny. No. Okay, she's not here. Brenda? Thank you. Kusam? Lilia? Lilia is here. Alex? Alex? Okay. Christopher? Okay. Jola? Okay, thank you. Roger? Roger Santa Maria? Oh, no, so Roger Sakharin? Okay, okay. Norma? Thank you. Kate? Thank you. Tanya? Tanya? Oh, she's not here. Not today. Ocean? Paul? Thank you, Ocean. Paul? Thank you, Paul. Ristalla? Ristalla? Yes, thank you, Ristalla. Okay, thank you. If I didn't call your name, please let me know now. Or if I missed you. Okay. Okay. I will give 5 more minutes. Yeah, please finish this one. Easy? Hard? Let's see. once you finish your algorithm, please click yes, so I can figure out how many. For some reason, I'm getting syntax error on the S, even though it's okay. So please, no, don't do that. Think yourself first. I mean, yeah, because troubleshooting is also a very important activity. Yeah, I know it's very annoying and you can't understand why it doesn't work, but check again. That's very important job. So maybe take a big deep breath and check your sentence, your coding carefully, line by line. Or if you read the error message, you can figure out where and why it says error. I mean, I can just say answer, or I can just say, oh, fix this, but you want to run last from my solution. So please practice. Okay, 670. Okay, that's good. Ooh, they are very fast. Wow. Okay, good, Lilia. Seven, okay, good. And then 13. 13 are still there. Okay, that's good. We have 2 more minutes, so yeah. Please create the code. Okay, hands-on experience is very important. So even though you just we are doing online course, please create the coding yourself. Open Colab and then try to create the code. Then fix your error if you see any error message. Good, Brenda. Good job. Okay. Okay. Yeah. If you okay. So maybe 1 more minute. After 1 more minute, let's do it together. But you did a great job. I mean, even though you can't find the answer, if you spend the time, yeah, that's very good. So for now, you may think, oh, I waste time. But if you think later, it becomes kind of, how can I say, it becomes your solid background skills. So, I mean, yeah, just how can I say? Just trust me, just spend your time. Even though you didn't get an answer, it's a very good experience. Just, yes. 2000 supposed to be. No, 2000 should be, 20th century. Yes, that's correct, Brenda. Okay, let's together. Okay, who wants to share your answer? Who wants to share your answer? Don't be shy. I mean, if you make a mistake, that means others also can make a mistake. So, okay, thank you, Corinne. Let's do Corinne's recording first. So this Corinne did. I need to wait. So he did years equal input type year. Okay, that's good. If year is greater than or equal to 21, 2001. Okay, so yes, that's good. Print distant future. Nice. Then if year is 2001 or greater. Okay, good. Yes. And then yes. Okay, good. Yes. And good. I think it should work. Let's try. Yeah, this should fix the picture. Yes, 21st century. What else? Okay. It's perfect. Okay, good. Good, Corey. Thank you for sharing your answer. This is very good answer. And then what about Julia? Okay. Almost the same, right? Okay, good. This is just good. I like it. Yes. And this is the Taylor. This is Taylor. Okay. Yeah. Okay, it works. Yes, Taylor, you also did a great job. Lilia, thank you. Thank you for sharing your answer, Lilia and Taylor. You guys did a great job. Okay. Also, these three are very good answers. I like these three answers. So using if and else if, we can classify multiple cases, right? I hope you understand this concept. Okay, what was your mistake? Where you made a mistake?
Instead of just putting else colon, I put else 1990 less than or equal to, and then it wouldn't work. Okay. It kept saying syntax, and then I didn't put the colon either. So.
Oh, okay, good. Yes, but that's a very good experience because many people also made the same mistake because they just write something here and they miss colons, so that's normal. Yeah. But now you know what's wrong yourself, so that's really good. Yeah. So maybe next time you won't make mistake for this kind of issue because you know why you get this error and then struggling this kind of stupid things, right? So you just think, oh, for the next time, oh, I know what I need to do, so you never make mistake. So that's good. Yes. Yeah, actually, your experience. Actually, I did the same thing when I just started programming. I just made the same mistake. Yeah. So that's good. Okay. That's for today. Yeah. This is last one. So thank you for coming to this lecture and